Are you a vinyl enthusiast or someone looking to dive into the world of record players? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best record players on the market, showcasing their pros and cons to help you make the best choice for your music setup. Let's get started. Number 5 on our list is the Udreamer UD001 record player. The Udreamer UD001 record player is a stylish and versatile turntable that caters to both vinyl enthusiasts and modern music lovers. With built-in speakers, multiple input options, and thoughtful craftsmanship, this record player aims to offer a balanced mix of retro aesthetics and contemporary convenience. Let's dive into the pros and cons to help you decide if this is the right turntable for you. Pros: built-in and external speaker support. The Udreamer UD001 comes with built-in stereo speakers, providing a decent listening experience straight out of the box. For those who prefer a richer, more powerful sound, the RCA output allows for easy connection to external speakers, enhancing the audio quality significantly. Multiple input options. This record player offers 3 input choices: Bluetooth, USB, and AUX. Bluetooth pairing enables wireless music streaming from smartphones, while the USB function allows direct music playback. The AUX input further expands its versatility, accommodating various devices like iPads and CD players. Supports various vinyl speeds and sizes. With compatibility for 3 speeds, 33/1/3, 45, and 78 RPM, and 3 record sizes, the UD001 ensures that users can enjoy a wide range of vinyl collections without limitations. The inclusion of an auto stop switch also provides better control over playback. Thoughtful build quality. The belt-driven system reduces vibration, ensuring smoother playback. The tone arm lifter helps prevent scratches on records, and the detachable dust cover protects both the records and the player from dust accumulation. Additionally, the universal voltage power cord makes it suitable for use in various regions. Cons: plastic construction. Though the design is visually appealing, the turntable's plastic components may feel less premium compared to more expensive models with wooden or metal finishes. This could impact its overall durability in the long run. The Udreamer UD001 record player strikes a good balance between nostalgia and modern convenience. It's an excellent choice for casual listeners who want an affordable, easy-to-use turntable with multiple connectivity options. Number 4 is the Victrola Vintage record player. The Victrola Vintage record player blends classic design with contemporary functionality, offering vinyl enthusiasts a portable and stylish way to enjoy their favorite records. Encased in a retro-style suitcase, this turntable is designed to be both aesthetically pleasing and highly functional. Whether you're a seasoned collector or new to vinyl, the Victrola record player aims to provide a seamless listening experience. Let's dive into the pros and cons to help you decide if this is the right turntable for you. Pros: versatile playback speeds. One of the standout features of this record player is its ability to play records at 3 different speeds, 33/1/3, 45, and 78 RPM. This flexibility ensures compatibility with a wide range of vinyl records, making it suitable for all types of collections. Portability and stylish design. Housed in a vintage suitcase with a convenient carry handle, the Victrola record player is easy to transport. Its retro aesthetic, combined with various available styles and colors, allows users to match it to their personal taste and home decor. Built-in Bluetooth speakers. For added convenience, the built-in Bluetooth speakers allow users to stream music from their smartphones, expanding its functionality beyond just vinyl playback. This feature is ideal for those who want the nostalgic feel of a turntable while still enjoying modern streaming technology. Multiple connectivity options. The record player includes stereo RCA outputs for connecting external speakers, a line input for non-Bluetooth devices, and a headphone jack for private listening. This range of connectivity options ensures that users can tailor their listening experience to their preferences. Easy to use. With a straightforward setup process, the Victrola record player is ideal for beginners. It does not require additional stereo systems or complex wiring, making it an accessible choice for those new to vinyl. Sound isolation feat. To prevent unwanted vibrations and improve sound quality, the unit is equipped with sound isolating feet. This ensures a more stable playback experience, particularly on uneven surfaces. Cons. Build quality considerations. While the suitcase design adds charm, the materials used may feel less durable compared to premium turntables. Users should handle it with care to ensure longevity. The Victrola Vintage record player offers an excellent balance of nostalgia and modern convenience. Its stylish and portable design makes it a great choice for casual listeners and beginners, while its Bluetooth capability and multiple connectivity options add versatility. Coming in at number 3 is the Onebyone AD07US02 record player. The Onebyone AD07US02 record player is an elegantly crafted turntable that combines a vintage aesthetic with modern features. Designed with a mix of wood and metal materials, its streamlined corners give it a refined, stylish appearance. While it offers various functionalities, such as Bluetooth streaming and an adjustable counterweight, it also has some drawbacks. Let's dive into the pros and cons of this turntable to help you decide if it's the right fit for your vinyl setup. Pros. Elegant design. The Onebyone AD07US02 stands out with its exquisite wood and metal construction. The layered design and smooth edges make it a visually appealing addition to any home. Versatile playback options. This turntable supports both 33 and 45 RPM speeds, allowing it to accommodate a wide range of vinyl records. Additionally, it can play music wirelessly via Bluetooth or through an AUX port, expanding its usability beyond vinyl. High-quality cartridge and counterweight. Equipped with a magnet-type cartridge and an adjustable counterweight, this turntable ensures balanced audio output. These features help reduce distortion, delivering warm and authentic sound quality. Bluetooth streaming. One of the standout features is its ability to stream music from external devices such as smartphones, tablets, and PCs via Bluetooth. This adds flexibility, allowing users to enjoy digital music without needing a separate speaker system. Premium Audio-Technica stylus. The turntable features a diamond-tipped Audio-Technica stylus, known for its precise tracking and high-definition audio output. This ensures that records are played with clarity and rich sound reproduction. Cons. Limited RPM speed options. Although it supports 33 and 45 RPM speeds, it lacks support for 78 RPM records. Collectors with vintage 78s will need to look for an alternative model. The Onebyone AD07US02 record player is an excellent choice for those who appreciate a stylish, high-quality turntable with modern connectivity features. Its combination of a premium Audio-Technica stylus, adjustable counterweight, and Bluetooth functionality makes it a compelling option. Number 2 is the Sony PS-LX310BT record player. The Sony PS-LX310BT record player brings together the warmth of vinyl with the convenience of modern technology. Designed for both casual listeners and audiophiles, this turntable offers a blend of easy operation, wireless connectivity, and high-quality sound output. Whether you are diving into vinyl for the first time or looking for a stylish and functional upgrade, this turntable provides an appealing balance of features. However, like any product, it has its strengths and drawbacks. Here's a closer look at the pros and cons of the Sony PS-LX310BT. Pros. Effortless operation. One of the standout features of the PS-LX310BT is its fully automatic operation. With a simple one-step auto start, stop, and return function, playing records is incredibly easy. This is a great advantage for beginners and those who want a hassle-free experience. Versatile playback options. The turntable supports 2 speeds 33/1/3 and 45 RPM, making it compatible with most vinyl records. Additionally, the 45 RPM adapter is conveniently stored beneath the deck, ensuring it's always within reach when needed. High-quality audio performance. Thanks to its built-in switchable phono preamp and 3 gain settings, this turntable delivers clear and dynamic sound. The aluminum die-cast platter further enhances audio clarity by reducing vibrations, providing a stable playback experience. Bluetooth and wired connectivity. The PS-LX310BT supports wireless Bluetooth connection, allowing users to pair it with Bluetooth speakers, headphones, or other compatible devices. For those who prefer a wired setup, RCA cables are included, ensuring easy connection to a stereo system. USB ripping for digital playback. A notable feature of this turntable is its USB ripping capability, which allows users to convert their vinyl records into digital MP3 files. This makes it easier to take favorite albums on the go without losing the charm of classic records. Cons: limited manual controls. While the automatic operation is great for convenience, it may not appeal to vinyl enthusiasts who prefer more manual control over playback. The absence of adjustable tracking force and anti-skating settings could be a drawback for advanced users. The Sony PS-LX310BT record player is a fantastic choice for those who want a balance of convenience, modern features, and solid audio quality. Its easy operation, Bluetooth connectivity, and USB ripping make it a great option for beginners and casual listeners. And finally, our number one pick is the Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT record player. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT record player is a versatile turntable that combines high-fidelity audio with the convenience of Bluetooth wireless technology. Designed for both audiophiles and casual listeners, it provides a seamless way to enjoy vinyl records without the hassle of extensive setup. With its fully automatic operation and compatibility with both wired and wireless audio systems, the AT-LP60XBT is a strong contender in the entry-level turntable market. Let's explore the advantages and drawbacks of this device. Pros: wireless connectivity. The built-in Bluetooth technology allows users to connect the turntable to speakers, soundbars, and other audio devices without the need for cumbersome cables. It also supports aptX codec, which enhances audio quality for a better listening experience. Ease of use. The AT-LP60XBT features fully automatic operation, making it an excellent choice for beginners. With the push of a button, users can play, stop, and switch between two speeds without manual intervention. Dual connectivity options. While wireless playback is a major selling point, the turntable also includes a detachable RCA output cable, allowing for direct connection to wired audio systems and powered speakers. Stable and resonance-free performance. The anti-resonance, die-cast aluminum platter helps to reduce vibrations, ensuring smooth playback and minimal distortion. Compact and stylish design. The sleek, modern look of the AT-LP60XBT, along with its removable hinged dust cover, makes it a visually appealing addition to any setup while protecting the turntable from dust and debris. Reliable DC motor. The DC servo-controlled motor provides consistent speed and performance, reducing fluctuations that can affect sound quality. Cons: limited customization. Unlike higher-end models, the AT-LP60XBT does not offer adjustable tracking force or replaceable cartridges, which may limit options for users seeking more control over their sound. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT is a solid entry-level record player that blends vintage vinyl appeal with modern wireless convenience. Its ease of use, Bluetooth connectivity, and stable performance make it an excellent choice for casual listeners and vinyl newcomers.